Well, good morning. I decided to make a quick video of my welding table that I'm modifying because, as you can tell, starting to end up with all your tools and stuff on here, and it makes a bit of a mess and can't work on here very well. So, yesterday I installed this electric box right here. This is just a simple little regular receptacle box. It's an adjustable one, and all I did was just flatten out the tips and then tack weld it on there. So that worked pretty well. If those you're asking, this is a 48 by 48 inch, 1 inch thick plate steel that I got off a project. The legs were given to me. These are 4 inch by 6 inch wide, 1/2 inch thick rectangular tubing, I should say. This whole assembly weighs about 700-800 pounds. So I need a shelf underneath there. So you see I'm using this little shelf here. It's going to fit up underneath there. Before you say anything, I know it's wood, but it should not get any direct sparks on it because it's well underneath there. So we'll see. For the front pieces, I took this bracket right here that is obviously for 2x6s, and I cut it in half. That will go here. Each side will be held up by one of these, and then the back part will have this extra piece of angle iron sitting there that'll be bolted. Obviously the wood will sit on top of that, and then I'm going to take this 1 inch square tubing, tack it on the back, and then it will go up and obviously weld up to there to hold the back part of this up in there. So hopefully it should be strong enough. So we'll get to work on that now. All right, so there we have it. I like that. It gives me the ability to leave everything plugged in, kind of keep it out of the way. Pop over here. It's kind of hard to see, but see, I just kind of tack welded it there in place, and that thing ain't going anywhere. So there you have it. Welding table just keeps on moving forward, a little at a time. It's kind of the way I do things.